In the previous video, we showed you our support level at $16,500. Since then, Bitcoin successfully pumped from this zone and made another local high. Now the question is, are we going to sustain above this support zone and pump towards the supply zone, or are we going to break below and continue down to retest the local bottom? We will describe in this video the biggest probabilities play and show you how we're gonna trade it in Paradise Family VIP. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Samo from My Crypto Paradise, and let's take a look at the daily time frame. So as we have been speaking in the previous video, this support zone at 16,500 was very important, because if we would close a daily candle below this line, we would with the biggest probabilities continue down to the local bottom. This however didn't happen, and we successfully pumped from this support zone and made another local high at around $17,100. We have touched this yellow line, which is actually moving average 20, and then we started to drop down again. So to understand the current price action, we need to switch to a little bit lower time frame. So let's go to 1 hour time frame and see what happened. So after the impulsive move to the upside, we started to consolidate a little bit, right? And actually we have been creating a rising wedge pattern right here. So this was really great bullish opportunity for most of the traders who have seen it, because after this rising wedge pattern, we have basically pumped above it. All right, so that was a confirmation that there is gonna be, with the highest probability, a bullish continuation. Then we had this retest back to 20 moving average, and this was an excellent opportunity to open a long position, and that's exactly what we have done in Paradise Family VIP. However, then we watched the current price action, and we actually started to close below the 20 moving average around here. So we closed our trade at break even, and here we go, we started to drop. So this green zone is basically our consolidation area since 17 December, right? And we are basically not moving from it. We tried to break down, but we didn't close any important candle below the important support at 16,500, so we pumped back up, and then we tried to break upwards. However, this rising wedge pattern was a failure, and we again dumped back to the bottom of this consolidation zone. So what's gonna happen now? On a lower time frames, we are getting with multiple indicators oversold. So this is RSI, this is stock RSI, and this is MACD, which basically show us that the sentiment is bearish. And to confirm the sentiment, we can also take a look at on-chain data. So as you can see here, we have posted this on our Twitter page. Basically the funding is getting pretty negative, so most of the traders are expecting more pain, so they have opened short positions, and basically they are expecting more downwards pressure from Bitcoin. And it's also have a lot to do with the current Binance footing around the Twitter page and social media, and basically the whole crypto market sentiment is very bearish, right? And we can confirm this with the MACD indicator. But right now what is happening is that we are at the bottom of the consolidation range, and this is basically a support area, and we can see that the traders are moving their bids higher and higher. Some of the traders then are turning bullish, and we can see this on the volume. So this support zone is another stronger support, but now it seems like we are building another strong support here, which been working since 17 December. So we are not going anywhere, right? But from the price action point of view, we are going to shift now to 4 hour to understand better what happened with this breakdown. So this was the falling wedge on a one hour time frame, but on a 4 hour time frame, which can be understood as a medium time frame, basically for swing traders, the most useful time frame is 4 hour. So what happened actually after this impulsive move to the upside, we have started forming a bull flag above this top of the range line, right? So we have been supported by the consolidation area because we broke above it, plus we started to form a bull flag. This is from 67% probability that always the bull flags are gonna break to the upside. However, it didn't happen. We tried, the traders tried to break it, but then from the upper trend line we got rejected back to the bottom of the consolidation zone. So right now many traders are going to actually use this bull flag for a retest and then enter a short. So one play what some traders could do is basically once the market starts to push upwards again, they will enter a short position and basically target again the next support zone, which is at 16,500. If you are going to scalp trade this, the stop loss should be placed above the previous swing high and you need to leave some briefer, right? So here the stop loss would be the best option around 16,900, and basically you are getting a very nice one-to-one risk reward trade. However, it's not really safe because loads of the indicators are getting oversold, plus the sentiment is really bearish and you don't want to follow the herds, right? You want to work like a lonely wolf. So basically you should be trading against the majority of market participants. So for us this is a no trade zone and we will be waiting until the price pushes below 16,500, or if we actually will be able to recover above the bull flag, and then we will enter a long position on a retest targeting the 17,300 resistance zone, which as mentioned in the previous video is 0.618 Fibonacci level, which is very important level. This will also give us a better risk reward play, because for the short position it's just 1-1, right? It's 1-1 risk reward. But if we are able to enter a long position here, we will be targeting the 17,300 and we will be able to place our stop loss just below 16,600. So it actually give us around 2 versus 150, right? So that's much better risk reward play. And if you want to stay profitable in this market for a long term, you should really be seeking only the best risk reward trades which the market offers you. So if we actually get this signal to go long, then we will be looking after taking profits at this area how the price action is going to react at this zone. If we are able to overcome it and close a daily candle above 17,300, then we will be opening a new long to the supply zone. The same way, if we close a daily below the 16,500, we will be targeting the local bottom. So the strategy is clear. We are always seeking the best probabilities plays. So if you want to start trading like a professional as well, I will see you in Paradise Family VIP right after watching this video. If you want more updates from us, go click on the website in the description and I will see you in the free channels we have. So this is it for today's video. Guys, let me know how you're gonna be treating the market over the Christmas, because the volatility is quite dead. There is no big moves on Bitcoin, so it's clear that most of the traders are enjoying the Christmas and they are not trading. Loads of people are also very scared from the current market situation, what is going on with exchanges, so they withdrew all their crypto or they are staying in stables and they are not trading at all. Let me know in the comments below how you're treating this market. Are you trading or are you staying in sideways? I would like to know how you are treating this market, and I will see you in the next video. This was Simon from My Crypto Paradise. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, click the like button, click the subscribe so you don't miss any future video, and I will update you about the next situation of the market very soon again. See you guys and Merry Christmas.